Alright guys, we're going to do another box of 2008 Leaf Certified Materials for football. Should be 4 hits to a box. This is only the second box I've ever opened of this. Did really good the first time. So we'll hope for good luck. Still can't believe I pulled that Derek Jeter 3 of 5 autograph in Premier. But check it out, check out the video if you want to see what it looks like. Checklist, 10 packs. Here we go. Looks like we got something already. Michael Bush. Alan Patrick, Fabrics of the Game. Looks like he's an Oklahoma boy. 23 of 100.
Bah.
Whatever, you liked them when they were winning the championship.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Oh, upside down.
Brian Braum. 449 out of 1,000. Definitely don't want to keep this. Looks like we got something pretty cool. Frank Gore. Wow.
Holy crap.
Wow. Darren McFadden.
Are you kidding me?
Autograph. 2 patches. Jersey. Football. 19 of 25. That is awesome.
Wow.
We got some good luck going now. Darren McFadden, quad autograph, 19 of 25. Woo, that's sweet. Got nothing on Derek Jeter, but that's sweet. I know some of you guys are gonna write me saying how much I hate Yankees, but I don't hate Derek Jeter that much. He's a pretty classy guy. Colt Brennan, rookie, blue, 42 of 50. Looks like we got another rookie, Jonathan Stewart. 303 of 500. Wow, that McFadden is awesome. I don't think it's quite like pulling a Adrian Peterson from last year, but I don't care. That's a sweet card. Looks like we got another hit. We got a Garo Yeppersmine. I apologize if I screw that name. I've never even heard of this guy. 85 of 99. He's a kicker. So I'm guessing he did something famous. I apologize if I'm totally blowing history or something here. But someone will like me, I'm sure. I mean, you typically would never see a game-used kicker card like an oldie. You'd never see it. Yeah, that's odd to me, but
You get your 4 hits.
I don't know. I can't remember. Got another Colt Brennan. This one's 1210 out of 1500. Last pack, guys. I think we have one hit left. Last hit's gonna be a
Huge patch. Or
Kevin
jersey.
O'Connell, super jersey rookie, 106 of 599. He's the boy from the Mountain West, San Diego State.
Nice.
But he's playing behind Matt Castle. He may not even be. He's probably on the practice squad or whatever. All right, guys, let me show you that McFadden one more time. That's awesome right there. Thanks, guys.